What's going on YouTube? What's going on YouTube? So here we are on location at a pretty cool looking church here in Ontario. So I did just go inside, make sure that they don't mind, and they've given me permission to fly around quickly. So I wanted to try some quick shots, some real life quick shots. So not on the beach just panning me around like this, no silly little DRONIE shots, just some actual real life quick shots, probably the DRONIE, the circle, helix, maybe boomerang, and see how we can incorporate that into a nice montage of this church. So yep, let's hit it up and let's go. It's a great 4 degrees Celsius today, so basically it's summertime, and let's get the drone out. Let's go. Alright, so last time I forgot the memory card, this time I forgot the controller. So quick dash home and we have the controller, and it's all good. Let's go. Let's do this. Let's do this. It's been a few days, really bad weather, cold, wet, haven't been out, so let's get this done.